Hey, let's take a quick look at robotic technology in China and its application to UN Sustainable Development Goals. China's robotics industry is driven by a mix of private companies, government support, and research institutions. Leading firms include companies like Unitree, UBTech, Agibot, and others, which focus on humanoid and AI-powered robots. At the same time, companies like Foxconn are major adopters of robotics, using automation at a scale in their manufacturing processes seen rarely anywhere else in the world. The Chinese government also plays a key role by funding robotic development through national strategies like Made in China 2025, a national policy put forth by the CCP. Robotics in China mainly includes industrial robots used in manufacturing, like welding and assembly, service robots used in delivery, healthcare, and hospitality, and emerging humanoid robots designed to work in human environments. China is the largest user of robots in all the world, accounting for about half of all global installations. Robotics is widely used in industries like electronics, automotive production, logistics, and even textiles. Robotics is concentrated in major economic and tech hubs such as Shenzhen and Guangdong for manufacturing, Shanghai for advanced industry, and Beijing for AI and research. However, robotics is spreading across the country, from smart factories to warehouses and even restaurants, where service robots are increasingly common. China's robotics growth accelerated in the 2010s and continues rapidly today. The country installs more robots each year than any other nation. Growth is driven by rising labor costs, an aging population, and the need for higher efficiency. New areas like humanoid robotics are expanding quickly, especially in the past few years. To see why robotics is so prevalent in China, we'll do a SWOT analysis for one of the biggest companies in Chinese robotics, Foxconn. So some strengths are increased production speed and efficiency, greater precision in assembling electronics, and reduced reliance on manual labor for repetitive tasks. The weaknesses are high initial investment in robotic systems, maintenance and technical expertise are required, and some production tasks are still difficult to automate. Opportunities presented include the ability to scale production quickly to meet global demand, integration with AI for smarter, adaptive manufacturing, and long-term cost savings through automation. Threats presented by this technology include worker displacement leading to social and economic pressure, dependence on advanced foreign components for some systems, and risk of production disruption if these automated systems fail. Now, how can we use these robotic technologies to address sustainable development goals, specifically in China? Well, for SDG 3, good health and well-being, surgical robots and hospital automation improve precision, reduce human error, and expand access to healthcare. SDG 8 is decent work and economic growth. Robotics increases productivity and enables the growth of high-tech industries while also shifting workers into more skilled roles. Finally, we have Sustainable Development Goal 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure. Smart factories and AI-integrated robotics strengthen industrial infrastructure and drive technological innovation. China is a global leader in robotics due to its scale, government support, and rapid adoption. While challenges remain, robotics is transforming how companies operate and how industries grow. Now, we're going to close it out as usual with two truths and a lie. China produces the most humanoid robots in the world. China accounts for about half of all industrial robot installations globally, and China's textile industry is growing so fast that robotics technology can't keep up for domestic demand, and they have been sourcing South Korean robots. You got me. That last one was the lie again. All right. Have a good weekend.